Welcome back to the Frugal Gardener's Garden. This is a real quick update to my potato video that I did a couple of days ago. If you saw that video, you'll remember that this was in this container here, and it was really root bound, and I have these slips that were in this box here that are now here. Of course, they're going to have to be moved into a container like this eventually, but for now I needed to get those into the dirt. This was another small container, and this is probably where this is going to live from now on. I started to take these apart, and check this out. That's 3 right there. So there's got to be over a dozen here altogether. And I just don't have the space. I don't have anywhere to put them. So it's experiment time. I'm going to actually leave these where they are. Obviously, I'm going to put more soil on them. Obviously, I'm going to have to find a place for these. And this was one of my early sweet potatoes that is going to live here for the next 100 days or so. And of course, I'm going to have to add more soil to this. So that's where we are. That is the continuing sweet potato, purple yam story, and also white potatoes. So it's looking good. I got it taken care of pretty much. And that's it for now. I will keep you guys updated. Have a great day.